Good afternoon, everybody. Jason with MarineMax Clearwater. Today I have the pleasure to show you Boston Whaler's 280 Outrage packaged with the new V8 300 horsepower Verado engines. We are seeing incredible results with these engines packaged on these Boston Whalers. This boat, for example, is a wide open throttle 60+ mile-an-hour boat. And with these engines on the back of it, you still get a 1-to-1 fuel burn range at 60 miles an hour. So absolutely incredible. I'll ask Mallory to step in the boat with me here. The 280 Outrage for Boston Whaler is probably my personal favorite to run. I love how agile the boat is, but it's still a big boat when you're out on the water. It's also a really deep boat. So standing in the 280, you really ride in this boat and not on it. You can see the gunnel depth is very deep. We continue really nice 6-inch gunnel padding all the way throughout the boat. And it'll also continue here on the transom when we put our seat away and you're in the action catching some fish. So really nice setup with the tow rails to keep you anchored to the boat and extra large fish boxes on the port and starboard side to the sole of the boat. Really nice bait prep station here. Oversized live well midship, and we also have one in the port aft corner. Freshwater sprayer here. You'll have another freshwater shower in the transom entryway, and then we also have a raw water wash down on the boat as well. So self-bailing cockpit here on the 280 Outrage, and as you move forward, we'll get to the Helm Station here. I love how Whaler lays out their Helm Stations. It's almost simplistic, if you will. The rocker switches are LED backlit. You know what's lit and what's activated and what isn't, if you will. We have a vessel view here. We staged that vessel view in the middle of the helm so that you can customize the electronics to your flavor. Garmin, Simrad, Raymarine, whichever you choose to go with. We have a really nice canvas here for you to kind of paint that setup as you please. Really nice storage here at the helm, 12-volt charger, USB hookups. We'll have our Fusion stereo, and then our push button engine start stops here. Actuated vent as well on the 280 Outrage, so you'll have a push button here on the helm. That'll allow that vent to actuate up, and it really allows for a lot of nice airflow to get through the boat. And then of course you'll have your storage up above. This is also really nice because it does give you a reverse look, a rear view mirror effect, if you will, of everything behind you when you're running the boat. I'll jump in front of Mallory here and show a small feature, but one of my favorites on the Outrages are the trolling seats. They're seamless when you get rid of them. They're not in anyone's way, but it's a great place for someone to sit when you guys are underway. Keeps them under the center console and in the conversation area. So I really love those. As you come forward, you'll see a really nice head compartment. The head compartment on the 280 will show off some of that fit and finish of Boston Whaler. Everything in this boat is finished. You'll see no unfinished surfaces. There's a vacuum flush toilet. We'll have overboard discharge capabilities, and your main stereo unit will be down here as well. Come on forward with me. If we're day boating, the seating arrangement on the 28 Outrage and all the other Outrage models is always excellent. Really nice lounger here. Fit 2 grown-ups there, no problem. Another 3 or 4 here in the bow. Really nice windlass anchor setup in the front of the boat. You'll have a remote control up here, and you also have a wash down to keep all the salt off. Really clean setup again, all finished, so no unfinished surfaces from Whaler. And then you never have enough storage on the boat, folks. And as you see here, we have a bit of canvas strewn throughout the garage. Some 5-gallon buckets, but we also have storage here for really anything you can imagine to bring on your day on the water. So again, that's a very quick tour of the 280 Outrage. You will thoroughly love this boat on the water. Give us a call here in the showroom, 727-536-2628 to set up your personal showing on any of our Boston Whaler products, but specifically this 280 Outrage. Have a great day.